Hey guys, and Google is on to something. Today we're going to talk about the fourth generation of the Google flagship Pixel lineup, the first possible glimpse of the Google Pixel 4 design. We have some information, and I repeat, information, not a leak, because this is straight from Google, and what it shows is a shocking comeback, something that Google desperately, and I mean desperately needs.
ये ठेका गैजेट्स का है, इसलिए यहाँ पर ड्राई डे नहीं मनाते। सब्सक्राइब करके नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कीजिए और नए-नए गैजेट्स का मजा लीजिए।
No matter how good that camera is, that design is a disgrace. It's a letdown. Google has been trolled and humiliated to the point where now they actually are planning a comeback. So out comes the patent games. Google's latest patent reveals a phone design that we all want to see on a Pixel phone. A completely bezel-less Pixel phone. It's not a software demonstration like the last time to fool everyone. This is from the patent. And as we have seen with companies like Samsung, they showed the whole design for the first time in a patent file, and now it's happening. So this could also happen this year at the very end with the Pixel 4. Google has a lot of time, 10 months, to build the most powerful and futuristic Pixel, which will bring a shocking comeback. So as you can see, we have a phone with a very familiar design, but no ugly notch. So it is very bezel-less. On the front, we have the front-firing speakers right on the top edge and the bottom edge, which shows that this really is a Pixel design, and they are not giving up the front-firing speakers, which by the way is a nice thing. I mean, they are good. They are the loudest speakers on a phone right now. Now what we can't see is the camera. Is it using the sliding camera mechanism like the Mi Mix 3 or Oppo Find X, or it could use the Infinity O OLED panel from Samsung, as Samsung was behind the display for the Pixel 3 XL. It's possible that that can happen if Samsung decides to sell their Infinity O panels to other companies. But we know nothing about how they're gonna achieve this bezel-less design. It's just my thoughts. But the take here is that Google is finally realizing that they need to bring the huge change with their next flagship. And for the back design, we can still see that one tough camera. That's the best in the game, and no extra camera sensor. A year where phones like Galaxy S10 Plus and the upcoming Huawei P30 Pro, they are going all the way to 3/4 camera sensor. The Pixel 4 might still come with just one. The power and volume keys are in similar position. The back design is also very similar to the current Pixel model. Now the fingerprint scanner is also there on the back, which means Google might stick to the basics, which is having the fingerprint scanner on the back. Again, nothing is final at this point. We are 10 months away, but it shows their plan for the next Pixel phone. And at this point in time, it is perfectly possible to bring this design after 10 months in 2019. With this new design, Google should also bring a wide-angle lens to the back camera as well to really make the photo game next level. So a bezel-less frontal speaker design with a possible sliding camera mechanism or Infinity O from Samsung could be the fate of the Google Pixel 4. Also, in case you have missed, the Pixel 3 Lite is actually a real thing. It has been completely leaked and even reviewed on YouTube. These are the cheaper version of the Pixel 3 family, giving you the same camera from the flagship Pixel 3 lineup with a headphone jack as well, but it's coming with a Snapdragon 670 processor instead of Snapdragon 845. We have IPS 1080p display instead of OLED, and also they have a plastic body. They are expected to be announced in the coming months to challenge the mid-range market. A Pixel 3 camera at $450 or less could be an incredible value. I think it will be a huge success, especially in the Indian market. So Pixel 4 could be a comeback phone. Hopes are high. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, what you think about this patent, this planning of Google for their next flagship phone. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
ये ठेका गैजेट्स का है, इसलिए यहाँ पर ड्राई डे नहीं मनाते। सब्सक्राइब करके नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कीजिए और नए-नए गैजेट्स का मजा लीजिए।